In this lesson, I will show you how to set up a new React application and then explore the files and folders that come with it. Understanding React file structure is important to build your React project. Let's get started. To start your React journey, you will first need to install a few tools, Node.js and a code editor. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that lets you run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. This is an important tool because React app relies on packages and scripts, and these tools require Node.js. To get Node.js, head over to nodejs.org and download the LTS version. Long-time support. LTS versions are stable and recommended for most users. Download the installer and follow the step-by-step instructions to install it. When you install Node.js, you will also get npm, Node Package Manager. And this is also an important tool. And after Node.js is installed, you will need a code editor. Well, there are many options. Cursor is a popular choice. I use Cursor. You can Google it and download it. Okay, now tools are ready. And let's start our first React project. We will use Vite. A fast and modern tool for setting up React apps. You can create a new React application with a single command. Just copy this line. Paste this command and enter. It will ask you some questions. So first is project name. First, React app. Choose React. This time we use JavaScript, and in just a second it's done. Vite config. This file lets you customize Vite. You can add plugins, configure server settings. It's very useful for advanced customization. Package.json. This file contains all the metadata for your project, including its name, scripts, and dependencies. And dev script starts the server. And build script create a production version for your app. To run this script, you will use npm run dev or build. And ESLint config. This is a configuration file for ESLint, a popular tool that helps you identify and fix code issues, errors, or bugs. Git ignore. This file tells Git which files and folders to ignore when push your code. npm install, or short for npmi. Package.log.json. This file automatically generated when you run npm install. It locks down the exact version of your project dependencies, ensuring the same dependencies across different machines. On your machine, on your colleague machine, on your boss machine, it's all the exact same dependencies. And node modules. It contains all your project installed dependencies. It's usually very large and you never push it to GitHub. And public folder. This folder is for static assets like images, icons, and other files. And the README file. This file provides information about your project, such as how to run it, and its purpose, and other documentation. Index.html. This is the main HTML file where your React application is loaded. It has a basic structure, including a div id equals root. And this is where React injects your entire app. And then SRC folder. This folder contains the React components, JavaScript logic, and styling files. app.gsx. This is the main user interface for your application is defined. Whatever you write here will be displayed on your website. Main.gsx. This is the entry point of your React app. React is rendered into the DOM. DOM. It also imports index, CSS, and global styles. Assets. This folder holds media assets like images or icons. You can easily import these assets into your React components and use them. Index CSS. This file defines the global styles for your application. App.css. This is the styling file specifically for app.gsx. You can create as many CSS files as you need and import them in different components to keep your style organized and separated. Let's run our first React app. Use terminal npm run that. And here we open it. And now it's running.